Hello everyone. Today we will solve some problems related to spillways. The first problem. A siphon spillway has the following data. Full reservoir level is 485.0 meter. Level of center of siphon outlet is 479.6 meter. High flood level is 485.9 meter. High flood discharge is 570 cubic. If the dimensions of the throat of the siphon are width is 4.2 meter and height is 1.9 meter. Determine the number of siphon units required to pass the flood safely. The siphon is to discharge freely in the air. Assume the coefficient of discharge is 0.65. In this problem, we need to determine the number of siphon units required to pass the 570 cubic of discharge. For that, the dimensions of the siphon is given, that is the width is 4.2 meter and height is 1.9 meter. And other data like level of center of siphon outlet and high flood level is given to calculate the maximum operating head. So to calculate, we have to find out the discharge through the siphon of size 4.2 meter width and height 1.9 meter. So in this dimension of the siphon, what is the quantity of water we can able to release? So the discharge through the siphon, the formula is Q is equal to CD into A into square root of 2G H1. So here CD is coefficient of discharge, A is area of the siphon, then H1 is maximum operating head. So that will be determined through high flood level and siphon outlet level. So that is 6.3 meter. So substitute all the values in this discharge equation, will get the answer 57.67 meter cube per second. So we got the discharge through the siphon of size 4.2 meter wide width and 1.9 meter height. So then to release 570 cubic of water, how much units of siphons are required? So number of siphon units required to pass 570 cubic discharge is equal to 570 divided by 57.67, therefore 9.88, so approximately 10 units. So 10 units are required to release 570 cubic of water. So this is the problem. Second problem. A saddle siphon spillway has a rectangular throat section 2.2 meter wide and the radius of the crown and crust are 3 meter and 1.6 meter respectively. With the normally adopted values of atmospheric pressure and the net operating head of 7.5 meter at the crest, compute the discharge through the siphon. In this problem, we need to calculate the discharge through the siphon having a throat length L, that is in this here rectangular throat section 2.2 meter wide. This one we need to take it as a length L with radius of crown and radius of crust. The discharge equation will be Q is equal to R1 into L square root of 2G H0 into log R2 by R1 to the base E, where R1 is radius of the crust, it is given 1.6 meter, R2 radius of the crown 3 meter, H0 net operating head, it is given 7.5 meter, L is length of rectangular throat section or width 2.2 meter. So substitute all these values in this equation. So you will get the value of discharge Q as 26.84 meter cube per second. So this is the discharge through the siphon unit having throttle length L. Thank you for listening.